Welcome to another episode of the Best Vegan Cookbooks. These videos are not really reviews, but an information source to help those who want to cook their own vegan meals. Our goal was to grab all the best reviews, information about the author or authors of the cookbook, and make it easy to digest in video form. For more information, be sure to follow the links. Now, let us begin. A Southern Girl's Guide to Plant-Based Eating. Enticed by how personable and delicious this reads. A very timely publication with so many black folk exploring veganism these days. Discovering down-home cooking can apply to vegan eats too. Demetrius Bagley, producer of Vegucated and Vegan Mashup. Discover how to put Southern soul into plant-based cooking. A Southern Girl's Guide to Plant-Based Eating. Recipes from the vegan soul that won't make you broke will help guide your transition to plant-based eating and vegan living through dozens of Southern-infused recipes to satisfy your soul. You'll find cooking tips, the lowdown on food alternatives, a jumpstart week of meals for those new to plant-based eating, recipes for kitchen aces, tips for eating out, and much, much more. Here are some quick reviews. Quote, I absolutely love this cookbook. It's organized in a way to help with weekly meal planning. It doesn't use any hard-to-find ingredients, an issue in my very rural area. The directions are clear and concise and the recipes are super good. I really like that jambalaya. It hit the spot. End quote. Quote. Kim's book is great. The recipes are easy to follow and cost-effective. Most of all, the food comes out delicious. Great for people making the transition or to rejuvenate a veteran vegan's palate. No matter who you are, this is a great addition to your kitchen. End quote. Again, we thank you for watching. With your support, we will continue making videos like this and more. Remember to check out the links, like, subscribe, and yes, share.